Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to install these piano black pillars on your Mercedes-Benz ML SUV. So without wasting any time, let's get started. It's a very quick and easy installation. You don't need no extra tools. All you're going to need is a towel and some soap or alcohol to clean the surface so it sticks on better. Now it's completely clean and dried. So here's how they come inside the packaging. All the pillars are separate. On one side you have a protective layer so the glossy black doesn't get scratched during installation, and the other side is the double-sided tape. So I'm going to start with the small one. And make sure before installing you got it completely accurate, because once it sticks on it's very hard to take it off and you might end up breaking this piece in half. It's just going to come right off. And now with some force, I'm going to completely press it down and make sure it's seated well all around. And then just peel this top protective layer off. And I'm going to do the same on the other two. I have the front two installed as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share, and please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.